This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldratt's Theory of Constraints. John, you said earlier that strategy depends a lot more on execution than on planning. Is this also true about technical strategy?
In simplest terms, strategy is a plan to deploy resources and direct their activities so that a goal will be achieved within a specified time frame using finite resources. In other words, how do we get from where we are to where we want to be? In practical terms, strategy depends on execution more than plans because things rarely go according to plan. Just as software best practices recognize patterns and anti-patterns, so does strategy. A common strategy, for instance, is technology shifts the board. It affects both technology providers and technology users. For example, cloud computing changes the performance, availability, risks, and economics of computing. Because strategic decisions look much further into the future than operational and tactical decisions, there's a tendency to think that strategic decisions have only long-term effects. Yes, it can indeed take years to develop new IT offerings. However, some strategic decisions can have more immediate effects. Strategy should be robust when things go according to plan and resilient when things don't.
So now that we've discussed technical strategy, in the next video I want you to explain your horizons model that you present in your book Exceeding the Goal.